let's start. Let's open the Tinkercad. Click circuits, then create new one. So the components that we need here are a resistor with a value of 220 ohms, then a potentiometer, let's look for a LCD, which is the 16:2. So next, let's look for a breadboard. So the last component that we need here would be the Arduino Uno. Let me arrange the components first. The breadboard would be put here. The Arduino Uno would be put here. So let me put this potentiometer here on the breadboard. We are almost set, so now let's connect them together. 5 volts in Arduino Uno will be connected to the positive of the breadboard. And the ground will be connected to the negative of the breadboard. Let's color it with black. And now we're going to connect the terminal 1 of the potentiometer to the negative. Let's choose the color red for this one. And the wiper would be connected to the contrast of the LCD. Let's color it with color orange. Then the terminal 2 would be connected to the negative. Then let's choose the color yellow for this one. And this one, which is the positive, would be connected to the power. And for this one, let's choose the color yellow. And let's connect the ground to the negative of the breadboard. Then the register select would be connected to here. Let's choose the color blue for this one. Then the read and write would be connected to the negative of the breadboard. Let's put it here. Let's choose the color purple for this one. Next would be the enable. Let's connect it. Let's choose the color pink for this one. The lead cathode would be connected to the negative of the breadboard. Then let's pick the color gray for this one. The next, which is the lead anode, would be put here. I will gonna use the color black for this. Next is the DB7. We will gonna use the color brown. Then the DB6. Next is the DB5. We will gonna pick the color yellow for this. Then the DB4. Then this one, which is the positive, would be connected also with the positive. Color black for this one. Next is the negative would also be connected to the negative. And we're gonna pick the color yellow for this one. Then this resistor would be put aligned with the lead anode. Then let's connect the DB7 to D2 of the Arduino. Then the DB6 would be connected to the D3 of the Arduino. Then the DB5 would be connected to D4. Then the DB4 would be connected to D5. Then the register select would be connected to the D12. Then the enable would be connected to D11. And now we're done with the connections, so let's proceed to the coding. So text, continue. Let's remove it first. And since I have already my codes here on my notepad, all I have to do is to copy and paste it. Let's start the simulation. Initializing. Let's see the output. The expected display output on the LCD would be CT318 microprocessor by my name, which is Irish and Labrada. So let's see if it's work. Then about the code. The include liquid crystal.h. This will mean to initialize the library with the numbers of the interface pins. So at what you can see, it's already the output. Then the void setup, LCD begin 6 and 2. This will set the display to 16 columns and 2 rows. Then the void basic print demo, delay 1000. LCD clear is to clear the display. LCD set cursor 1 and 0. LCD print CT318 microprocessor by my name. And that's all, we're done. Thank you.